Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you can add music to a video clip in CapCut. So if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech, so let's get in. Now what you need to do is open your CapCut app in your mobile and then hit on this new project button on the top. Once you are in there in the gallery, what you need to do is select a video clip on which you want to add a music. Now select the video clip, hit on add, and then your video will be in the CapCut editor. Once you are in here, you guys can see your clip over here, and then right beneath that you guys can see an overlay as add audio. Hit on that, and then here you guys can see a bunch of different options where you guys can add a sound, you guys can add a copyrighted sound, or you guys can add an effects to the audio, or you can extract an audio from a video, or also you guys can record an audio or a speech and then you can add that to the video clip. All right, so for the course of this video I'm gonna add a sound. So hit on sound, and then you guys will be able to see a bunch of different sounds over here. Some of them are commercials. Also, you guys can also add a TikTok sounds to this as well by linking your TikTok account over here, or you guys can select some video, some audio from the extracted video or from a device. All right, or you guys can also use some of the recommended sounds over here, and then also you guys can add some of the favorite sounds that you have added to the favorite. Right, so for the course of this video I'm gonna be adding some of the pop music in the video. So select on the pop or the other labels that you want to add a music of. Right, so scroll down until you see the sound that you want to add to your video clip. For example, I want to add this groove like a pop loop. All right, so for that what you need to do is hit on that sound, and then you guys will be able to hear the sound like how it's gonna look like once it is on your video. So wait for it. Once the sound is loaded, as you guys can see the timeline, you guys can scroll through the timeline, and then you guys will be able to hear what sound will like once it is on your video. So to add this sound to the video, what you need to do is hit on this add button or the plus button, and then your video will be added right beneath the video. Right, so here as you guys can see, a new overlay of the sound is added to the video. What you guys can do is you guys can scroll through the sound, or what you guys can do is you guys can just swipe to the sound until you add the sound to your favorite part of the video where you want to add this sound. Right, so you guys can play around with the video clip, with the audio clip, or the sound. Once it is done, what you guys can do is what you guys can do is you guys can cut the sound over here and split it, and then the rest of the sound you guys can delete that sound so that it won't create an extra timeline to the video. Right, so that's it. That's how you guys can add a sound or add a music to your video clip in CapCut. After that, what you can do is you guys can go through with the resolution. I'm gonna put it to 1080p, and then hit on the save button on the top right, and after that is gonna export this video clip into my library, in my gallery. Right, so guys, that is how you guys can add music in CapCut. Right, so for the course of this video guys, that's it. If you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So see you in the next video. Peace.